If there is such a thing as creation, there is bound to be something called destruction. This rule also applies to the Earth we live on. The question we ask scientists is, when is the end of the Earth? Although there are many reasons for extinction, let us look at 7 important factors. From catastrophic climate change to hostile aliens, Hollywood routinely envisions apocalyptic endings to humanity's stint on planet Earth. Robot ascension. The Terminator may be science fiction, but killing machines are not far from reality. The United Nations recently called for a ban on killer robots, presumably because experts worried that several countries were developing them. Recent developments like ChatGPT, BARD AI may be the starting points of artificial intelligence. Many computer scientists think the singularity, the point at which artificial intelligence overtakes human intelligence, is near. Whether those robots will be benevolent helpers or the scourge of humanity is still up for debate. But a lot can go wrong when there are hyper-intelligent robots armed with lethal weapons running around. Global warming. The mother of all apocalyptic fears, climate change is the biggest threat facing the planet, many scientists say. Climate change could make extreme weather more severe, increase droughts in some areas, change the distribution of animals and diseases across the globe, and cause low-lying areas of the planet to be submerged in the wake of rising sea levels. The cascade of changes could lead to political instability, severe drought, famine, ecosystem collapse, and other changes that make Earth a decidedly inhospitable place to live. Pandemic threat. New deadly pathogens crop up every year. Recent pandemics have included outbreaks of SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome, like corona, bird flu, and most recently, a coronavirus called MERS that originated in Saudi Arabia. And because of our highly interconnected, global economy, a deadly disease could spread like wildfire. Engineered disease. Natural diseases aren't the only ones to fear. In 2011, the scientific community was outraged that researchers had engineered a mutant version of the bird flu H5N1 that was transmissible in ferrets and transmitted via the air. The results sparked fears that engineered deadly diseases could inadvertently escape from the lab or be intentionally released, leading to a global pandemic. Nuclear war. The use of nuclear weapons could cause widespread destruction and radiation, potentially leading to a global catastrophe. Many scientists are still worried about the classic end-of-the-world threat, global nuclear war. Overpopulation. The fear of an overpopulated globe has been around since the 18th century, when Thomas Malthus predicted that population growth would cause mass starvation and overtax the planet. With the global population at 7 billion and counting, many conservationists think population growth is one of the key threats to the planet. Snowball effect. Though each of these scenarios could happen, most scientists think a snowball effect of multiple events is more likely, Miller said. For instance, global warming could increase the prevalence of pathogens while also causing widespread shifts in climate. Meanwhile, ecosystem collapse could make it slightly harder to produce food, with no bees to pollinate crops or trees to filter agricultural water. In conclusion, while there are several potential ways the Earth could come to an end, the probability and timeline of these events are highly uncertain. It's important to continue to invest in scientific research and technology to better understand and potentially prevent